My understanding of 4IR is using the technology that is available to improve or make better processes that we use in our workspace.
We realized at Sasol that in order for us to remain competitive in our industry and in order for us to meet our customer demands in a very rapid manner, we needed to transform how we do things within the organization. You've got all of these industrial 4.0 technologies that are coming, and we need to be ready, we need to keep up with the trends.
The value of these type of events in terms of large entities coming together with small entities is extremely powerful because it's a platform to share knowledge, and most importantly, these small organizations are thinking about how can they add value. So it provides an opportunity to understand what these large organizations are thinking about and how to really kind of immerse one's business into this ecosystem.
One of the main functions is networking. Networking is essential to growing your business. I think one of the most valuable outcomes is meeting other companies, like-minded companies, and being able to, gauge yourself.
I think for Sasol and for us, it's a mutually beneficial encounter in a sense of it takes people like us who are small and medium-sized companies to give us exposure to what Sasol can do and to help us understand where Sasol's processes are going. And definitely for me, I'm very satisfied with the progress so far.
The most interesting thing was putting 4IR into context, right, of engineering and industrialization. So that for me was the most interesting part for me to just start to understand how does 4IR technologies fit into these different spaces? How does it fit into this particular industry?
You heard people from Sasol talking about how we as Sasol have got to be agile, how we as Sasol have got to understand what our customers want, and how we as Sasol have got to change and adapt and not be arrogant to believe that the name Sasol guarantees us opportunity. It's equally the same to you.
It is important in closing to understand that this is not a one-man show. This is not just a Sasol process. It requires collaboration amongst all role players. It requires understanding and maturity in accepting that not everybody would be eventually successful in this process. But if there's a few that are successful, to me that's a definition of victory, and I'm sure if we achieve a few people that can look back and saying, I am what I am because Sasol has done something for me, it will be great.